Opa here, back at it with another video. I'm going to be trying something new. I'm going to be starting a new series called Top 5, and I'm just going to go over like various topics of like just top 5 stuff on the way to the gym, which is a short ride. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this new series I'm going to be starting. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into this top 5. This first video is going to be about why you should start riding a motorcycle. Number 1, they are insanely cheap to get. Like this baby I got here, I got her for about $2,800, so $2,800 hairs I got this bike for. So guys, that's insanely cheap. Like if you're 18 plus and you're looking for a first time vehicle, maybe something not as powerful as this if it's your first bike, but I mean even the smaller bikes like a Ninja 300 or 250, guys, they're so cheap. Like if you weigh the odds, like why get like, you know, a beater car when you can just get this? You know, you're gonna have way more fun. You're not gonna hate, you know, getting in it every day and stuff. So yeah, it's, in my opinion, it's more, you get more bang for the buck. And especially when you go to sell that beater car, you know, you're not gonna get your money back. 250, you might get your money back. You might, yeah, you might. Number 2 is cool factor. Like, who doesn't want to ride a motorcycle? Like, it's so fun, and you really don't have to be scared of it, guys, because if you've never ridden before, because I started out when I was 18 and I was a senior in high school. And I got my first bike, which was a 600, and I was so scared, but it honestly wasn't that bad. Oh god, I thought my keys fell out of my pocket. But yeah, it's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just so much fun, you know. I actually enjoy driving. I absolutely hate going anywhere in a car because, you know, just traffic. And you know, I'm not really a big car person in general. Number 2 is going to be cool factor. I mean, you're going to enjoy it so much, have so much fun, meet a lot of cool people. You know, the biker community is actually, you know, pretty nice. You can make a lot of friends doing this, or riding. Number 3 is going to be about maintenance. I guess this could tie along with number 1, but I'm going to go over it again. Maintenance, compared to a car, it's going to be really cheap. Yeah, I'd say really cheap, because most of it you can do yourself. Like an oil change is super easy. Coolant change is super easy. I mean, guys, it's like a couple of bolts. It's a couple of bolts to remove the plastics off, like these. You remove the bolts, and then these plastics just come off, and then you can just kind of get into your bike like that. And then even like a more difficult type of job, like maybe changing out the stator the stator, which is kind of like an alternator for a car, which is kind of inside your engine, is just removing some bolts, take the side cover off, and just putting the new one in. I mean, it's really, most of it's not hard. I mean, even most of this stuff you can just find on YouTube. So that's going to be number 3, maintenance. If you're worried about maintenance costs and all that, you know, it's not much. Even insurance, I'll go ahead and throw that one in there with maintenance costs and all that. Insurance, oh, actually, you know what, that's a lie. That's a lie. Because insurance is going to be super expensive. But there is a caveat, and I will say, if you're young, it's going to be super expensive for full coverage. If you're wanting to get full coverage, you're going to be looking at 300 plus for full coverage. So, but liability, on the other hand, like I have, is relatively cheap. I pay about 28 bucks. Very cheap. Very cheap. So that's number 3. Number 4, you're gonna get more girls. No, I'm joking, guys. You're not gonna get more girls, but it is there. I would doubt anyone would say if you ride a bike, you get no girls. Oh, if you ride a bike, come on, they're going to be looking at you. They're going to be looking at you. So, I can remember plenty of times where I just pull up next to a car and there's like a cute girl and she's just looking at me and all. Like, yeah, she wants to go on the ride on the back. You know, just picture yourself just riding your baby up. You pulling up to a girl at the gym, and then she's walking in, you pulling in, you're like, hey, what's going on? Yeah, you want to go for a ride? Easy, guys, easy. And that brings us to the last one, number 5. Ooh, that shit is smoking. What the fuck is going on with that? Number 5, let me think, what should number 5 be? Ah, the perfect one. That fucking black fucking smoke off that damn truck. This is a perfect one. After all these fucking cars go, I'll show you. Number 5. They're fast as shit. They're fast as shit, boy. Guys, like, this is a 1998. I'm blowing cars out the fucking water. I'm not saying like it's the fastest. Is the gym closed? Boy, no way, boy. Boy, no way, boy. Boy, no fucking way that shit closed. Anyways, these bikes are fucking fast, guys, and for the amount of money, like these bikes can go like 160. Like a 600, you're looking at 160 miles per hour, and a liter bike, like 160 plus. Like, that's fast as shit. Fast as shit. Absolutely ludicrous speed, like jail speed. Ooh, what's up, biker bro? I'm gonna park right here. Yes, sir. Ludicrous speeds. And yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this first top 5. Hopefully my mic's working, because when I go home and review this footage, if it's just fucking silent, it's gonna be a sad day. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this top 5. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.